In this video, we will show the active refresh functionality in Activeboards. This feature provides a way of refreshing the data shown in an Activeboard by renewing the connection to the queries that feed its widgets. This refresh can be either manually activated or programmed with a specified periodicity. This is very useful to make sure you have the most updated data from your query when you need it. And this becomes very important when using data in real time because it prevents memory exhaustion and potential connection errors that might derive from prolonged network usage. Let's see how this works. Once inside the Activeboards area, make sure you activate the edit mode. Otherwise, any changes will be lost after leaving the Activeboard in question. At the top right, next to the time range selector, you can see the refresh button. If you want to refresh right now the connection to all the queries of your Activeboard widgets, you just have to click the button. Observe that a spinner briefly appears in each widget to indicate that it is being refreshed. If you need more than just a one-time refresh, the setting we will see now is exactly what you need. Next to the refresh button, there is a selector you can use to set a periodicity for an automatic refresh. Selecting the first option with no periodicity will turn off the automatic refresh. Let's select an option and see what happens. As you can see, after the specified time has elapsed, the widgets are all refreshed. As we have mentioned before, this is especially useful when the real-time option is activated to constantly check for newly received data. If an error occurs and the connection to the query is lost, causing the data inflow to be interrupted, the periodic refresh will re-establish the connection without the need of user intervention. Be aware that even though the automatic periodic refresh is activated, the refresh button can still be used. However, pressing the button will not cause the timer to be restarted, so it will be refreshed again after the current period elapses. Similarly, if a widget is created, modified, cloned, or any other action that implies establishing a connection to a query, the timer will not be restarted. This widget will be refreshed together with the rest of them at the end of the current period, even though it was not a full period for such a widget. Thanks for watching this video. Visit us online to keep up to date with the latest content.